We haven't seen Matthew for a long time, have we? It's one of the people we've been missing. Here comes Claire. We'll wave to Claire. I'll start some. That's it. Can you hear the drums?
That's the only thing, yeah. I didn't even have a heavy arm this morning.
Good morning. Morning to you. Morning. Morning to you. I hope you're feeling fine. Hope you're feeling fine. I hope you're feeling fine. How are you today? Are you ready? Good. Yes, Will. Excellent. Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning. Oh, a bit of ditch. Brilliant. Good morning to you. Hope you're feeling fine. Hope you're feeling fine. Hope you're feeling fine. How are you today? Yeah. Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning. Good morning to you. Hey. I hope you're feeling fine. Hope you're feeling fine. Hope you're feeling fine. How are you too? Ready? Big day. Oh, it's good to see all of you. Excellent. I saw Rob and Claire there. They've gone out of the shot now. And the didgeridoo. Okay. If you're fed up with the lockdown, make a face. See what really. Let's make it really miserable faces. Yeah. Kieran's is good. Brilliant. If you're fed up with the lockdown, make a face.
Oh, little Mary won't go.
If you're missing all your friends and you hope the lockdown ends. If you're fed up with the lockdown, make a face.
Hey.
If you're fed up with the lockdown, shake your fist. If you're fed up with the lockdown, shake your fist.
This is Stuart.
It's me going. If you're missing all your friends and you hope the lockdown ends. If you're fed up with the lockdown, shake your fist. I know. So, what's going to help? I don't know what's going to help. I think I've got an idea. I've got an idea.
You want a little haircut?
You had a haircut?
Yeah, I have.
I'm just having a look. Oh, yeah, I can see. Yeah, you've had a. Oh, very smart. Who did the haircut, Jess?
My mum.
Oh, clever mum.
Not very good there.
That's all right. I did my own. I can see.
I'm sure I've covered stuff.
Didn't work out too well. Now I'm hoping that before too long I'm going to be called up for an injection.
No pancakes today, Stuart. No pancakes.
Jab. No, thank you.
Okay.
Congratulations. There's vaccinations. I hope that everyone will get a jab real soon. Mass vaccinations will ease our frustrations. I hope that every soon will soon be set free. This time last year, I was happy and contented. But 12 months on, I'm feeling quite demented. Each passing day is very much the last one. And the weekends, no different from the week. Congratulations, there's vaccinations. I hope that everyone will get a jab real soon. Mass vaccinations will ease frustrations. I hope that very soon we all will be set free. I'm stuck in here with four walls that surround me. I'm eating chocolates and watching daytime TV. And all my friends, they're only on a Zoom call. 'Cause there's not much else that we can do. Congratulations, there's vaccinations. I hope that everyone will get the jab real soon. Congratulations, there's vaccinations. I hope that everyone will get a jab real soon. That's it. That's just me being daft, but
I like that, Stuart.
I'll have to write some more words and finish it because it's an idea I had.
If we should.
Yes, Cliff Richard.
Yeah, the original song is congratulations, but I changed it to vaccinations. You see,
I think that's very clever, Stuart.
so I'll mess around with it and I might do a little video. So today's theme is the colour blue. So I'm just looking around the screen. Who's got anything blue near them?
No, you haven't got blue.
Q and I.
Tony's wearing blue.
Q got blue.
I've got a little bit of blue.
You've got a blue lightsaber behind you.
Yes, you got blue lights sometimes.
I got blue lights.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, so I'm going to sing all songs that have got the word blue in the title. So you're dying to hear me sing. Blue is the colour, football is...
Blue colour.
Oh yes, please.
Oh, I see, yeah, there's somebody there.
And Tony got blue.
Blue, yeah.
Tony has.
Because we've all probably been feeling a little bit blue, you see. That's what I've been thinking. Which is okay, because it's
I think that's a blue duck.
Yeah, it's a blue duck.
Oh, yeah.
The thing to remember, if you're feeling a little bit blue, you won't be the only person feeling it at the moment. So we're all in the same boat.
No.
Blue.
Right.
Stuart got blue.
A little bit blue, all being a bit fed up, aren't we? So let's cheer ourselves up.
Yeah, sounds good.
Listen to the rhythm then, play along to the rhythm. Money talks, we don't sing and dance and it don't walk. But as long as I can have you here with me, much rather be Reverend Blue Jeans. sound of my heart, my soul. Money talks, it don't sing and dance, and it don't walk. As long as I can have you here with me, I'd much rather be forever in blue jeans. Forever in blue jeans. Forever in blue jeans. Oh, so that's blue jeans. Have I got blue, I have got blue jeans on, yeah. Look, there we go. So all things of blue. What else is blue? Let's have a think.
Well,
Sky.
The sky.
sky.
Blue sky. Okay, let's see if we can find out with blue sky. Okay.
Bluebirds.
There'll be bluebirds over the white cliffs of Dover.
I've got blue. I've got blue socks.
Yeah, so you got blue lights
Blue socks.
and blue socks.
Where is that?
That's a nice bit of shaker. Let's get the shakers going. And the drums. Hi, Joe.
Hi, Stuart. Hi, everyone.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you all. Nice to see you, Stuart. Here's the spot.
Sun is shining in the sky. There ain't a cloud in sight. It stopped raining. Everybody's in a flight. But don't you know, it's a beautiful today. Been down the avenue, see how the sun shines brightly in the city where the streets once filled with pity. Mr. Blue Sky is living here today. Hey, hey. Mr. Blue Sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. So long, where did we go wrong? Mr. Blue Sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. So long, where did we go wrong? Hey, you with a pretty face, welcome to the human race. Celebrations, Mr. Blue Sky, I've been waiting, and today is the day we're waiting for. Whoa. Mr. Blue Sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. So long, where did we go wrong? Mr. Blue Sky, please tell us why you had to hide away for so long. So long, where did we go wrong? Ready for Bubba Buzz? Bubba. That's it. Sun is shining in the sky. There ain't a cloud in sight. It stopped raining. Everybody's in a flight. Don't you know? It's a beautiful new day. Hey, hey. Running down the avenue, see how the sun shines brightly in the city where the streets once filled with pity. Mr. Blue Sky is living here today. Hey.
Hello.
So got January over with,
Hello.
February going to be over with, and then the sun is going to
Hi, Sally.
the sun is going to come back.
Goodbye, January.
Goodbye January. Then we're going to say goodbye February.
Yeah. There is actually some blue sky, Stuart. I can see it.
Excellent. And we've got a good couple of weeks coming up on the on our Zoom. Next week, going to do Valentine's.
Love sausage.
And the week
Love
after,
that.
I'm going to do is actually the week after Pancake Tuesday. It's the week
I've got
after.
love song in my heart.
Yeah.
Practice flipping those pancakes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it.
Mm.
Okay, what else could be blue? I've had.
Blue suede shoes.
Oh, let's do blue suede shoes. That's a good
Blue
idea.
way shoes.
Don't
Good
you
suggestion.
step on my blue suede shoes. I know that one.
You
Roxy, do
doing
you
a
know that
thing.
one?
Elvis dress.
Come on, Roxy, sing.
Elvis.
Got blue axe.
I'll persuade my dog in a little bit. Right. Okay, you ready?
Hello, show.
Hi, Jeff. How you doing? Lovely to see you. Blue suede shoes. Woo!
It's a one for the money, two for the show, three to get ready now. Go get it, don't. Step on my blue suede
Step
shoe.
on my blue suede shoes.
Well, you can do anything but lay off of those blue suede
Lay
shoes.
off of my blue suede shoes.
Well, you can knock me down, step in my face, down to my name all over the place. Do anything that you wanna do. Lay off of my shoes, don't you? Step on my blue suede shoes. Well, you can do anything but lay off of my blue suede shoes. Well, you can run my house, steal my car, drink my liquor from an old fruit jar. Do anything that you wanna do. Lay off of my shoes, don't. Step on my blue suede shoes. You can do anything, lay off of my blue suede shoes. Blue, blue, blue now, ready? Blue, blue, blue suede shoes, baby. Blue, blue, blue suede shoes, baby. Blue, blue, blue suede shoes, baby. Blue, blue, blue suede shoes. You can do anything, lay off of my blue suede shoes. Here's the one for the money, two for the show, three to get ready. Don't step on my blue suede shoes. Well, you can do anything but lay off of my blue suede shoes. Blue, blue, blue suede shoes. Blue, 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 blue suede shoes, baby. Blue, blue, blue suede shoes, baby. Blue, blue, blue suede shoes. You can do anything. Lay off of my blue
My
suede
blue suede shoes.
shoes.
Hello, Barry.
Hey!
Hey!
So we've had blue jeans, blue shoes,
Blue sandals.
we have blue sky.
Let's go. What else, Joe?
What else can I do? It's blue.
Blue sandals.
You haven't got any blues. Listen to a song about blue.
Blue sand, blue sea, or I've got blue moon here. Try blue
Blue
moon.
moon, yeah.
Yeah.
Good one.
Let's try that one.
Blue whale.
What's that?
Hi, Emma. Hi, Debbie.
Yeah, blue whales.
Nice one.
Blue moon, you left me standing alone without a song in my heart, without a love of my own. Blue moon, you knew just what I was there for. You heard me say a little prayer for someone I really care for. There suddenly appeared before me the only one whose arms I and whispered, please adore me. And when I looked, the moon had turned to gold. Blue moon, I'm no longer alone without a song in my heart, without a love of my own. Blue moon, blue moon. Sorry, I can't resist doing that. Bad habit.
It's a good habit.
That's lovely.
That's good. Right. Oh, except
That quiz. That one quiz.
what's talking about? Do you fancy a nice chill out? Do you want to fancy a nice little chill out song where we all listen?
Yes, please.
Yeah, because we've got Kieran here today. We want to make use of him.
Hi, Kieran. I can't see you yet.
I'm here.
He's
Oh,
here.
hi, I can hear you.
Right.
Before you start, how's it been at IKEA? Busy?
Half and half.
Yeah.
I think because we've been doing click and collect for a while, the people are slowly losing interest in it because they've not been able to go in.
Yeah. So you're basically getting all the stuff ready to them to come and pick up.
Yeah, pretty much. And then we've got to tell staff as well about social distance, and that's quite a challenge for people.
Yeah. Some people don't listen, do they, Kieran?
No.
If you try and tell them, but they don't like being told, or
No.
they walk away and just not listen.
Yeah.
It's a difficult one.
Page.
Definitely.
You need a big
well,
pole,
good luck,
massive
Kieran.
pole to poke them with. You poke them out the
Yeah,
way.
I thought about one of those sumo suits, you know, like blow yourself up so you've got a
Yeah.
2 meter distance.
That's a good idea.
I'm happy to do that.
I don't think I need the suit. I think I'm working on my own quite happily. Yeah.
Yeah, well, I've got all this cake belly here as well.
Yeah.
Look at that back. Oh, Mary.
Anyway, I'm gonna. If we can mute ourselves, or if we can't, if you're not technical, just be really quiet so we can. Let's listen to Kieran because it's a bit of a treat now.
Tell me, are you feeling strong? Strong enough to love someone? You feel the heart is strong. Bad weather. When you pull me from the flames, hold me till I feel no pain, and give me shelter from the rain. Bad weather, where can I find? Hush, took a little light in the dark. Hey, she left me with a broken heart. Hey, now I'm on my own. If anybody sees her, hey, hey, shine a light on her, hey, hey, shine a light on her, hey, hey, shine a light on her, hey, hey, if anybody sees her, tell me, can you hear my voice? Loud and clear above the noise. And even if I had the choice, won't give in. Where can I find? She took a little light in the dark. Hey, she left me with a broken heart. Hey, now I'm on my own. If anybody sees her, hey, hey, shine a light on her, hey, hey, shine a light on her, hey, hey, shine a light on her, hey, hey. If anybody sees her, she took a roll of light in the dark, hey, she left me with a broken heart, hey, now I'm on my own. If anybody sees her, hey, hey, shine a light on her, hey, hey, shine a light on her, hey, hey, shine a light on her, hey, hey. If anybody sees her, shine a light on her. Shine a light on her. Shine a light on her. If anybody sees her.
Hey,
Brilliant.
Very good.
that was good, Kieran.
Lovely. Thank you.
Love that, Jess.
That was really nice. Really nice. Thanks, buddy. That's really nice.
It's a lovely song.
Mm.
I have to nick the chords. I have to nick the chords off of you sometime.
I know, definitely.
Hello. Hi, Joe.
Hello, Jess.
That's it.
How's Roxy?
She's not very good, actually. I've just given her some new medication from the vets.
Oh, she's under,
But hopefully
under the
she'll
weather.
be better. Yeah, they just advised paracetamol, so I've literally just gave it to her before I called you.
Oh.
And I'm just going to give her Metacam now. How's your dog, Jess?
Yeah.
Fine.
All right.
How's Ruby?
Yeah.
Ruby, all right?
Yeah.
Ruby.
Yeah,
Oh, we'll have to do that next week. We'll have to sing that next week. Remind me. Ruby.
Doing that next week.
I'll dig out the chords and the words.
No.
Right, I got
Actually,
one
Mick,
more.
I've
I got one more song
homemade
with.
treats for Roxy here.
Yeah. I got some here. Hang on, I'll send them across. Hang on.
Homemade treats.
How about those?
Dog biscuits.
I got a few bits. I got a few dog biscuits here.
Nom.
I'll throw them across.
Oh, they
You ready?
look nice, Roxy.
Can you catch them? If I throw them, can you catch
Yes,
them?
please.
See?
Go on then. Ready?
Got that one?
Yeah. Got it.
And another one coming.
Thanks. Ready.
Get that one.
Steady.
And go on.
Ready.
Yay!
Go. Yay! Thanks.
Magical.
She got it. She got it. She called it. That's magic.
I thought of one more song that's got blue in the title. I'll try this one. See if I remember this one.
Where's Jackie?
If I can remember the tune. Hang on. We did that. Song blue. Everybody knows one. Song blue. Every guy knows one. That's it. Me and you, subject to the blues now and then. We take the blues and make a song, sing them out again.
And again.
Song blue, weeping like a willow. Song blue, sleeping on my pillow. Funny thing, you can sing without a cry in your voice. Before you start feeling good, you really got no choice.
Yeah, Roxy.
Song blue, everybody knows one. the blues now and then. But when you take the blues and make a song, you sing them out again. Song, song, blue, weeping like a willow. Song, song, blue, sleeping on my pillow. Funny thing, you can sing without a cry, no voice. Your voice starts to feeling good. You really got no choice. Yeah, didgeridoo. That's it, didgeridoo solo.
Just a minute.
Someone's ringing.
That's all right, it's blending in.
No, it hasn't. It hasn't run out. No, I've still got Can we talk about this? I'm right in the middle of the session. It does look fine though, bad time.
Song blue, everybody knows one. Song blue, everybody knows one. Me and you, subject to the blues now and then. Then you take the blues and make a song, sing them out again. Song, song.
Blues.
That's it.
Yay!
Oh, well done, everybody. Brilliant. If you can think of any more songs, blue in the title, I can't think.
Uber Duber.
Bluebirds over the great.
Oh, yeah, there'll be bluebirds over the white cliffs of Dover.
The
Just Venus in blue jeans.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
final song,
Say again.
red one, the final one song.
The final song, did you say?
Yes.
Yeah, we're going to... What's the time then? Is it coming?
Hello, Miles.
Yes, it is.
Oh, it's gone 12, yeah.
1 minute.
Okie dokie.
I've got to go, guys, but
You've got to go. Kieran,
Oh, thank you.
Thank you so much for that
Kieran.
song. We enjoyed it.
Thank you. It was beautiful.
hope work's all right tonight. Hope you don't get any difficult people getting too close.
Get a stick.
You poke
Get
them with a
cattle
big stick.
prod,
Yeah,
Kieran.
I'll see you guys.
yeah, take
Bye.
care. Right, I'm going to find the reggae beat.
Emma. Emma. Hello, Emma.
Emma and Debbie.
That's it. I try to remember. Yeah, hi Debbie. Sorry, I'm trying to rack my brains for your
No,
name.
Debbie? No, Debbie?
Hello, Debbie.
Do the phone.
So-
Reggae now.
Hi, Miles. And say hello to Miles.
We're having this-
And
Hi Miles.
Alison. Debbie with the short hair.
Let's see who we've got. We had Kieran. Kieran's gone. Then we got Sarah. Then Louise. Then Will. Yay. Then we got Tony and Mary and Tom. Then Oliver. Then Jess. Then Miles. Then Debbie. Then Claire.
Oh,
No,
no.
there.
Rob and Emma and Joe.
Yeah, she's on another ginger.
Okay.
Got to finish it today.
And Barry.
And Barry. Barry. Sorry, Barry.
That's all right.
It's the mask, you see. Don't worry about a thing.
The one.
Every little thing.
Gonna be
Gonna be
alright.
alright.
Said don't
Bye, Louise.
Worry.
Thank you.
about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the pure and true. Singing, this is my message to all of you is don't
Worry.
worry
Worry.
about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing is gonna be alright.
Be alright.
I said, one
One
love,
love.
one heart. Let's stick together and feel alright. Yeah. I said, one love, one heart. Let's stick together and we'll be alright. Say, let's stick together and be alright. One love, one heart. Let's stick together and feel alright. Say, that's the one. Yeah, that's it. Don't worry, be happy.
Don't worry, be happy.
Don't worry,
Worry.
be happy. One love, one heart. Let's stick together and we'll feel alright. Oh, guys,
Brilliant.
enjoy the rest of the week. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you,
And
Stuart.
don't get too blue unless it's blue
Behave.
sky. And I'll behave myself. I promise you, I'll behave.
Behave.
Have a lovely week. Next
Take
week.
care, Stuart. Have a good one.
So next week I'm going to do Valentine's theme. So see if you can have some hearts and things
Behave.
ready for us, and I'll behave myself. Yeah.
We'll be doing some on craft on Monday with me, so we
Yeah.
might have some to show.
Excellent.
Say bye-bye.
Anyway, it's easy to me to behave. There's nothing. I can't do anything to misbehave, can I? At the moment.
Bye. Bye. Come on,
Bye,
Stuart.
Miles.
See you later, guys.
Bye.
Take
Bye,
care.
Tony. Bye, everybody.